Welcome back, my dear students. In the last session, we have finished chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots. Today, let's learn part 1 of chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Chapter number 8, comparing quantities. First, let's try to understand what is ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two quantities. Note, when we try to find the ratio of two quantities, the units must be the same. Ratio si quantity ani ki comparison to buduni quantity ani ki comparison to bukanda units sing du managadabani. Now let's try this question. Example: find the ratio of 3 minutes to 1 hour. Now solution. Here we have to find our ratio of 3 minutes to 1 hour. 3 minutes to 1 hour. Now this is minute, this is hour, the unit are different, so this minute we have to convert into this hour we have to convert into minutes. So 3 minutes to, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, so 1 hour is now 60 minutes. Therefore, now we have to find a ratio. Require ratio is equal to here 3 minutes first, so 3 minutes should be divided by 60 minutes. To find out the ratio, we have to divide the given quantities. So minutes are cancelled. Now 3 is dividing by 3. 3 one time is 3. If 3 divide 60, then 3 2 times is 6. Next is 0. 1 by 20 is getting 1 by 20. If we want to write in the ratio form, we have to write on in this way. And we have to read this as 1 is to 20. Yani ko si kangani ko. Next, let's study about percentage. The term percent means per 100 or for every 100. The meaning of percentage is per 100 or for every 100. Now let's write this question. Example: find 35% of 80. Now solution. 35% of 80. Here the symbol here keeping is called percent symbol. So if we leave this percent symbol, we have to write down 35 by 100, and OBSM is multiplied. Next is 80. 0 and 0 we can cancel, then we can divide by 5. 5 2 times is 10. 5 7 are 35. 2 can divide 8, that is 4 times. Here 7, here 4. 7 into 4. We know that 7 4 times is 28. So we are getting 28. Okay, here it is over. I hope that you can understand this. Now let's try exercise. Exercise 8.1, question number 1. Find the ratio of the following. Let's write this question number A. Speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Here the question says that to find out the ratio of speed of cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Here we have to note the two speed. Here the first speed is 15 km per hour and the second speed is 30 km per hour. And we have to find out these two speeds ratio. Now let's try this. Question number 1A. Now solution. First, let's write speed of cycle. Speed of cycle. Speed of cycle is this: 15 kilometer per hour. Next, let's write speed of scooter. Speed of scooter, and there is 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour. Next is we have to find our speed, ratio. Therefore, the required ratio is equal to find out the ratio, we have to divide speed of cycle by speed of scooter. Speed of cycle divided by speed of scooter. Speed of cycle is 15 km per hour. So 15 this kilometer per hour. Next is speed of scooter is this 30 km per hour. Next, 15 and 30 we can divide by 15. 15 one time is 15, 15 two time is 30. Kilometer per hour are same, so these two are cancel. Then we are getting 1 by 2. 1 by 2, if we want to write in the ratio form, we can write 1:2. Here the question is over. I hope that you can understand that. So now let's try next question. Question number B, 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Here the unit are different. This is meter, this is kilometer. So first we have to convert in the same unit. Now solution. So this 10 kilometer, let's convert into meter. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So to convert into meter we have to multiply by 1000, and now this is meter. If we multiply 10 into 1000, then we are getting 10,000 meter. Now we have to find out the ratio. Therefore, the required ratio is equal to 5 meter must be divided by 10 kilometer. We have to write down the first value first. After that, the second value should be multiplied the first one, like this. Next, 5 meter, 10 kilometer is equal to 10,000 meters. So write 10,000 meter. Let us divide by 5. 5 one time is 5. If we divide this by 5, 5 two times is 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros is getting. Meter are cancel. Is equal to, here is 1, here is 2000. We have to write down in the this in the ratio form. If we want to write this in the ratio form, we have to write down 1:2000. Here it is over. Gyan tare ko se. Next question mo yang si. Next question si manare aduna yumda si practice oina tawro. Question number 2 si tawge. Convert the following ratios to percent. Maka the pili pa ratio si percentage the all lo hai. 2 gi a si tawge. Question number 2a 3:4, and we have to convert this into percent. Now solution. Now solution, we know here the given ratio is 3:4. Ratio form we can write in the fraction form, that is 3/4. Then if we want to convert this as percentage, then we will multiply by 100. Then we have to put percentage symbol. 4 can divide 100. 4 2 times is 8, 9, 10. 4 5 times is 20. We are getting 25. 25 into 3 is 75. And we are getting 75. And this is the answer. Understand or not? I hope you can understand this. Then let's try next question. Question number B is same, so you practice this at home. Now let's try this question number 3. 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? Hojik question da hai si kai hai no hai kanda 72% of 25 students si mathematics ta interest lai hai ba adu itarga di mathematics ta interest lai ta ba satra gi masing du kaya no potho ba sigi se hol si yeng si. Question number 3 solution. First, let's write number of students who are interested in mathematics. In the question, it is given that 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. So we have to calculate from this 72% from 25%. From this, we are going to calculate 72% of 25 is equal to 72%. If we are leaving this percent symbol, we can write 72 by 100. Of is changed into multiply, then 25. 25 can divide 100, that is 4 times. 4 divides 72. 4 1 time is 4, 5, 6, 7, 32. 4 8 time is 32. 18 is getting. So 18 students are interested in mathematics. But in the question, it is said that to find out the number of students who are not interested in mathematics. So let's find out this. So therefore, the number of students who are not interested in mathematics, there are altogether 25 students are there. And there are 18 students are there who are interested in mathematics. So we have to subtract 18. 25 minus 18 is, we are getting 7 and 7 students. So 7 students are not interested in mathematics. Here the question is over. Now let's try this question before. Let's study the question. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they play. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Let's study this question well. Here the question says that a football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they play. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Sida hojik question da hai si football team amana match ngasagi total number of matches makoina sanariba match ki masing pulapun badugi manungda tara di moina thoi haba ado moina thoi bagi percentage se 40 oiba taragadi how many matches did they play in all makoina pulapunna sanaba match masing du kaya no puthoi adu di se haursi. Now solution. Number of matches won by the team, and this is given, there is 10 matches, so 10. Number of matches won by the team is 10. The team won 40% of total matches they play. Here the question says that to find out the total number of matches they play. So now let's write, let's take x be the total number of matches they play. Let x be the total number of matches they play. Next is by question we get. By question we get. Here in the question it is given that when the team play the matches, 40% they won. So 40% of total number of matches they play is x, and this number of matches they won is 10. So 10, this will be equal to 10. Now let's find out the value of x, and this will give the answer. This implies that 40% we can write as 40 by 100. Next is ob is x. Ob is multiplied, then x is equal to 10. Next is cross multiplication. 40 and x are multiplied. This 100 will multiply to the other side, 10 into 100. Now let's find out x. If we want to find out x, then this 40 will divide these two numbers. 0, 0 are cancelled. If 4 divide 100, we are getting 25. So 25 is the answer. Hence, the total number of matches they play is 25. And this is the answer. Bhab tayo ko si yare ko. Dudi matang question mo tong si. Next is question number 5. Question number 5 is same, so you practice this question at home. Now let's try next question, question number 6. Now question number 6. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games if the total number of people are 50 lakhs? Find the exact number who like each type of games. How's question type si city amagi 60% of the people na cricket pami haba, aduga 30% of the people of the city do na football pami haba, aduga lemhoriba sing do na other games si pami haba. Adu iba taragadi others games pamba people ki percentage to putho o haba. Adigi muk sida mu mathang da mu laisina total number of people do na 50 lakhs oiba taragadi find the exact number who like each type of games. Adu itardi cricket pamba people gi masing du sapsana kya no hayo, football pamba sing du gi masing sapsana hayo, aduga other games pamba missing gi masing du sapsana hayo ya. Si hojik tawar si. Solution: people who like cricket. Cricket pamba people ki percentage 60% ni percentage da han ire. Next people who like football pamba people ki percentage 30% ni semu ire. Next therefore people who like other games. Question da hairam bagi matung ina ngasai ki 60% of the people ne 30% of the people ne adugi do lauthokhraba matung da lemhori ba singduna remaining singduna other games su pami habani. Adu tardi people who like other games ki percentage puto kaya di 100 tagi minus torkani kaya kya minus torkada kaya kan 60 ga 30 ga plus tawba do 100 tagi minus torkani sumay laani percent sumay laani is equal to sign 100 minus 60 का 30 का plus 30 90 तारे percent symbol 100 minus 90 is 10%. People who like other games to percentage the 10% tarani. Now total number of people is 50 lakhs ni 50 lakh. Next asi puto asi. Therefore total number of people who like cricket pamba people की percentage जो 60% ni 60% of silakani 50 lakhs 60% of 50 lakh si hojik putho si 60% si percent symbol thok tar di 60 by 100 na ibiyani of si multiply the ole mathang the 50 lakh la Sigi 0 ka cancel. This 0 and this 0 are cancel. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 lakh dare. Total number of people who like cricket is 60 lakhs. Next, total number of people who like football. People who like football ki percentage to 30% is tagi lakani. 30% of total number of people is 50 lakh. Let us calculate this. If we leave this percent symbol, then 30 by 100 of is multiplied, then 50 lakhs. 0 are cancel, and this 0 and this 0 are cancel. Here is 3, here is 5. 3 into 5 is 15, so 15 lakhs. Total number of people who like football is 15 lakhs. Next is total number of people who like other games. Let's see here. People who like other games in percentage, that is 10%. 10% of total number of people is 50 lakhs, so 50 lakhs. Let's find out this value. 10%, if we leave this percent symbol, we can write as 10 by 100. Then of is multiply, next is 50 lakh. 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 are cancel. Here is 1, here is 5. 5 into 1 is 5 lakh. So total number of people who like other game is 5. So what we are getting is total number of people who like cricket is 30 lakhs. Total number of people who like football is 15 lakhs. And total number of people who like other games is 5 lakh. Sida loire si bhab tare ko. Okay, then for today, let's stop here. All of you, thank you.